In this video, you'll learn how to duplicate a specific credit note on Blixo in just a few simple steps. Whether the credit note is draft, open, paid, or closed, you can easily duplicate it. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Credit Notes section. Click on the credit note ID that you want to duplicate. This will bring you to the Credit Note Details page. From there, click the More button and select Duplicate Credit Note. You will be navigated to the Duplicate Credit Note Details page, where you can edit or change any fields based on your needs. If you don't change anything on this page, the duplicated credit note will have the same information as this credit note. However, the credit note ID will be different because there can only be one credit note ID in the system. Click Save and Issue to start the duplication process. Let's check it out. Congratulations! The credit note ID of the duplicated credit note is different from the original credit note. Voila! You've successfully duplicated a specific credit note in just a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.